Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to reset the lock on your Samsonite luggage. It should be about the same on any Samsonite suitcase. The only thing is your lock might look a little bit different than mine. So when you first use your luggage, you're going to need to set it to 000. That's the default from Samsonite. So when you buy your luggage, you want to open the lock for the first time, you set it all to zeros. Press the button. That's what unlocks it. So that's your default code when you want to get in for the first time. But you always want to change that because anybody who steals your luggage, especially if it's a Samsonite bag, first thing they're going to try is all zeros because it's a simple Google search and it will tell them that that's the default. When you want to change your combination, while it's open, you're going to choose your new combination. But before you do that, you've got to look for the reset button. On this luggage, it's the little button right here. It could be different on other ones. I've got a simple paper clip here. While the luggage is unlocked, I'm going to press in the reset button. Now I'm in reset mode. The button is pressed in. I'm going to simply choose my new code. You can set it to whatever you want. I'm going to set it to 123. Now obviously this would not be a good combination either, but just for video purposes, I've got to set it to what I want. I'm going to do it again. You open it, you'll notice that the reset button pushed out. And now my combination has been reset. The way we can test it is I'm going to just change it. So 223 does not open it. Let's go back to default 000. No longer opens it. However, my new combination 123 opens a suitcase. Really simple. While it's open, press the reset button. Choose the combination you want. Open the luggage. That's going to set it. You're ready to go. As always, I hope the video helped. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're enjoying the content that I'm creating, don't forget that subscribe button. It's always appreciated. Happy traveling, and I'll see you in the next video.